Lizanne Gildenhuys. I work for Anglo American. We're a global mining company, one of the largest global mining companies in the world. I work in the Sustainable Development Department, group function, and I'm responsible for the Enablon application, so the governance of the system and the implementation of the system across all of our business units. We started in 2009 with the metrics module, and following that we then started the management module, so incident management, action management, behavioural-based safety, or we call it visible felt leadership, and it's kind of just grown from there. The growth has been very organic. Other business units have seen the value and they then have decided to adopt Enablon. So it really has been a journey over 6 years. And now we're in a point where it's, okay, this is the application that Anglo American will be using, and you don't have a choice anymore in using your own software. So version 7, it is a lot more intuitive, it's a lot more user-friendly, it's cleaner, it's neater. The feedback from the end users have been that it's a lot easier to navigate. I mean, I've come from version 5, went on to version 6, and it was, oh, this is so much better. Came to the SBF, was blown away by the features they were selling, the mobility, and I got home and I'm like, we're doing a version upgrade. My boss, or my boss's boss, he really likes facts. Don't just give him words, he wants to see figures, and it's been great that they've been able to quantify, okay, well, it's saving you so many clicks, it equals to so many seconds or so many hours or minutes. So that's fantastic. So that's something to take away, saying, hey guys, we did the version upgrade in April and it was the right thing to do. Look, here's proof. This is the savings you're going to get by keeping up with the version releases and upgrades. Well, we've got quite a few operations in Brazil and in Chile, and infrastructure networking is a big problem. So offline has really saved them a lot. So I think with Metrics Offline, they've said on the safety reporting, it's about an hour a month, and on environmental, it's about 2 hours. It doesn't seem like a lot, but come month end, that 3 hours that you have back is quite critical. And now we're looking at incident offline, audit offline, just to make it easier for the guys sitting in countries where infrastructure is a problem. One of the cost-saving things is global organization, different business units, they all have a different system. And the cost of running the Enablon application for all of our operations is exactly the same as what one business unit is paying for their unique software system. And we're in a space where, as a mining company, commodity prices are low, everybody's struggling with finances. How can you justify running 2 applications, one for one business unit, one for the globe, that cost exactly the same? It doesn't make financial sense, and that's one of the reasons why people need to get onto the application. It is getting rid of all of the legacy systems where it's appropriate. It's got a massive financial saving. So on the reporting, there's a few things. For the report, the teams that do the reporting factory is great because it gives them the ability to go and customize their own reports. And then the scheduling of reports, that's great because you can set a report up to be scheduled. So this guy gets it on Monday morning in his inbox. He doesn't need to, go into the solution, click on the report, download it. It's really at his fingertips on a Monday morning and prep for his meeting. So that's fantastic. To share information across a global company is a challenge. And I think the key piece though is ensuring that everybody's following the same process. And a single platform is critical to that. Because at least everybody is completing the same fields, they've got the same definitions, and the way I interpret a high potential is not different than somebody else because the system really guides that. The fact that the tool is so integrated and that if you really use it to its full potential, that you can get out so much information and leading indicators, not just information on the lagging stuff.